art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Christmas Kuromi, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to get started with her Santa hat. And we're going to draw this on a slight diagonal. So on the left, we're going to curve this around, and we're going to bring that down on the right. On the top, we're going to curve this around and in. And then we're going to do the same on the bottom, just extending that slightly longer towards the top. Let's start on the top again, curving this around and down on a diagonal towards the middle. And then starting back on that line, we're just going to continue to curve this around and down. Let's move up. Beside this, we're going to curve this over and through towards the middle. On the top, we're going to arch this up and over towards the side. Now from here, we're going to continue to stretch this down. So we're going to curve this around and in. And now let's draw in a nice big circle for the pom-pom. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this all the way around and back in. And then on the side here, curving that in towards the top of the hat. Now let's come down. We're going to draw on the side of the face. We're going to arch this around and in. We're going to do the same on the right, and we're just going to leave a gap in the middle because we're going to draw on our hands now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this around and down. We're going to do the same as we move over on the left. And then now from here to close off the bottom of the arm, we're just going to arch this around and up on the side. Let's close this off in the middle now to close off the bottom of the face with a curved line. Let's add in her ear on the top left. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We're going to draw in a circle on top of this. Moving below that, let's draw in another diagonal line coming across. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this back in towards the side of the head. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out on the right and left-hand side. And then now from that corner, we're just going to curve this back around and down towards our arms. This one's going to come in beside the arm there. Let's draw in our nose. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Let's draw on the right eye. We're going to draw in a nice big oval over here. Let's draw in a highlight on the top left-hand side. So we're going to draw in another oval. And then stepping down on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, just making that slightly smaller. And then for the eyelashes, we're just going to curve two lines coming up on a diagonal. And then we're going to color in this pupil black. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line up and over. And then from that inside corner, replicating that as we bring that down on the left. And then again from here, we're just going to color that in black. Let's draw in two curved lines coming out. Now let's draw in our mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal. And then from that corner, we're going to arch this around and back through. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line across. And now let's draw the skull in the middle. So we're going to draw in a straight line across. We're going to draw in two straight lines coming up on the left and right hand side. And then now from here on the side, we're going to arch this around and in on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming up on both sides. For the eyes, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's come down and draw in the collar. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the right. And then we're going to connect that with a circle. And then from there, we're going to bring this diagonal line in. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle again. Let's come over beside the arm And we're going to curve this around and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle, closing that off. Let's draw on the body now. So coming in behind, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to do the same thing on the left, arching this line through towards the middle. Let's bend the knee. So we're going to come in towards the center, curving this line up. Now for that foot, we're going to arch this back, around, and through towards the back. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down for the leg. And then we're going to curve this back, around, and up. Lastly, let's draw in her tail. So we're going to start on the right, curving this up, down, and through. We're going to drop down, replicating that pattern. Now from here, we're going to draw in a line that comes out on both sides. On the top, let's bring this diagonal line in towards the center to close that off, to create an arrow. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Kuromi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.